get it. You want to invest, and everyone should invest. No one should invest, though, if they don't know their why. So what is your why? Why do you want to invest in this stock? Why do you want to invest in this bond? Why are you interested in investing in this commodity or real estate or mutual fund? What is your why? And while you're thinking about it, I can give you some reasons about why you shouldn't invest. FOMO, or fear of missing out, a friend told you to, or anyone that isn't a legal financial advisor says that you should invest in this stock, or FINRA and the Security Exchange Commission say that it's a scam. Figure out your why. Is it having to do with how long the company has been around? Or what are the company's values? What are some risks involved with investing in this company? What are the factors? Who are their competitors? Check out Wacesa.com to learn more. And remember, a financially educated investor is Wakesa's most successful member.